Debugging round generally requires two steps. The first step to debug the bending strength. That is it. The angle of the roller, which is the corresponding value in the figure. The second step to debug the tooling locating. That is it. The angle of the tooling. After the adjustment of these two steps, so that the actual measured value to reach the set value. Now let's start debugging. Choosing materials. Click Create, Circle. Enter the diameter of the circle to be made in the graph. For example, 500 millimeters. Click Back Home. The bottom left of the graph shows the circumference of the circle, according to the circumference of the circle to intercept the material. Generally, the circumference of the circle plus 300 millimeters is a test material. Manual feeding. Fading to the position in the picture. Fill in a value in the yellow area of the graph. This value is filled in according to the value shown in graph param. Compensation strength comp on the right. Initially +2 can be used as a start. Click positive bend. Click manual feed until the material completes at least one half circle. And measure the diameter of the circle. If the actual measured value is less than the set value and reaches between 80% and 90% of the set value, save this value. The specific numerical range is as follows. If the measured value is in line with the following interval, the arc bending force debugging is completed. At this time, the measured value is already larger than this interval, which needs to be increased. After the test again, the actual measured value is within the interval, and the test is completed. If the value is large, then increase this value to ray bend. If the value is small, then reduce this value appropriately to ray bend. After the adjustment is complete, fill in the value into the circle parameter comp and SADI on actual strength. Click Save. How to remove arc material. When we process the curved graphics, may not be able to complete the normal return operation. Then, you need to press the keyboard Shift plus F7. Enter the password 0. Just set the negative value of the actual strength value to fill in the linkage angle. Linkage length. Enter 50. Click the linkage start. Remove the material and measure the diameter. Click Back Home. Put in the material. Enter the value just finished debugging. Adjust the tooling rotation angle so that the tooling infinitely close but does not touch the material. In general, the initial rotation angle set to 10. Click positive. When the tooling in the material angle is less than 10, the rotation angle is adjusted to 1. When the tooling in the material angle is less than 1, the rotation angle when the angle between the tooling and the material is less than 1. Set the rotation angle to 0.1 and fine-tune again until the material and the tooling basically fit together without generating force. At this point, set the rotation angle to 1 and click positive. The tooling will exert pressure on the material. Note each time you click on positive or reverse, the software automatically calculates the cumulative angle. The final angle value is recorded. Manual feeding. Diameter measurement. At this time, the actual value measured is too large, so the rotation angle is reduced. Select an angle, click of ease, and reduce the angle. The specific adjustment method is, if the measured value is large, reduce the angle. If the measured value is small, increase the angle, and finally reach the exact radius value. After the adjustment is completed, fill in the current position value to circle parameter comp and SADI on tooling location and click Save. Note that when measuring the diameter in this step, you need to take the material off and lay it flat on the ground for measurement. When we finish debugging, put the material, click on the Start. You can be processed. Summary of key points. Adjustment of the circle mainly. Adjust to variables, roller angle and tooling angle. First complete the adjustment of the roller angle. Fix and save the value, and then adjust the tooling angle. Do not adjust to values at the same time.